Hi everyone, this is story number 23 from One Story a Day. Slawla Haman, ama chiroki bistu sema la zinjire har ڕۆژە چیرۆکێک. Today we have grandma, this little girl, amro, dapiro, kchet skolaman here, who says, "Can I do it, grandma?" Kadalet dapira datwanam man bikam. Babzain David Chipka. So the title is Who Likes Cake? Who likes cake? Che haziba cake de. On Saturdays we go to grandma's house. Leek shaman de chinamali da pira. Today is Saturday. Amro shamea. Grandma and I are making a cake. Grandma and I are making a cake. Menu da pira. Cake druzakein. The cake is pink. The cake is pink. Cake kapamaya. We put white sugar on top and 4 candles. Shakri spi bavasaroy dekeinu harwaha 4 candle, 4 momish. Why? Bochi, it's my little sister's 4th birthday. It is my little sister's 4th birthday. Bochi چوارم لدایک بون و تا اهنجی لدایک بونی خوشکت شکولا کما. Okay? So, now let's highlight some of the most important vocabulary. اما کتای چیروکه و باید بزنین هیچ روشهشی گرینگ من هم جاره. We have grandma, of course, ka kurt krawi, okay? Ka kurt krawi, grandmother, okay? We have pink as a color, karakata pamai. We have candle, karakata mom, birthday, wata ahanji ladai. So that's the end. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good time.